Did you know that nearly 30 to 40% of all cancers could be prevented simply through dietary choices? That's right. What you eat can significantly impact your cancer risk. In today's video, we're diving into 9 powerful foods that not only help prevent cancer, but may also play a role in fighting it. If you're curious about how to boost your health and take control of your well-being, stick around as we uncover the delicious and nutritious options that could transform your diet and enhance your fight against cancer. Your health journey starts here. First, we'll look at what is cancer. Cancer is a disease where the DNA and the genetic material inside your cells gets damaged. This causes the cells to start mutating and growing uncontrollably. You see, unlike healthy cells, cancer cells lose their ability to die, basically becoming immortal, and they start spreading at a rapid rate through the body, using up your nutrients and burning through your sugar reserves as they go. As the cells mutate, they can form tumors, causing cancer in different areas like your bowels, your liver, pancreas, or your lungs, for example. Cancerous cells can also destroy your nerves, your blood vessels, and your organs, eventually leading to death. But the question is, what damages your DNA and your cells in the first place? One of the main causes is refined sugar that's often added to our foods, as this causes free radical damage to the mitochondria inside your cells. Refined vegetable oils have also been shown to cause cancer, along with processed grains and flour, because these deplete your antioxidants, opening up the risk of DNA damage. Also, chemical pesticides and weed killers used to grow or produce is harmful to your cells, along with smoking, vaping, alcohol, and other pollutants that we breathe in. Although we've all been exposed to some of these things, it's fortunate that there are natural foods that contain healing properties, which help to prevent your cells from becoming cancerous. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor for a proper medical diagnosis if you have any health concerns. The first item on my list is an incredible food for preventing and protecting against cancer: broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are 2 to 3 day old microgreens which are sprouted from broccoli seeds. They are packed full of an anti-cancer chemical called sulforaphane, which can cause cancer cells to commit suicide, but leaves your healthy cells intact. What's interesting about these sprouts is that they contain 100 times more sulforaphane than fully grown broccoli. Studies show that when you eat more sulforaphane, your liver produces more enzymes that break down toxins and chemicals in your body that could have caused cancer in the long term. You can start growing these very easily at home using an inexpensive sprouting kit on your windowsill. You can also use cauliflower, radish, arugula, or wheatgrass seeds, as these too are packed full of anti-cancerous compounds. Recommend sprinkling them over the top of your cooked vegetables, as the enzymes within will help your stomach absorb more nutrients from the cooked foods. Or you can simply toss them into a healthy salad on a daily basis. Number 2. Morina leaf phytonutrients, or plant nutrients, have been proven to be particularly deadly in the battle against cancer cells. The morina plant, also known as Morina oleifera, has more phytonutrients than any other plant on Earth. Originating in India and tropical Asia, it is now extensively cultivated in tropical regions worldwide. In these areas, the leaves of these plants have been consumed as a natural medicine for generations. Morina is referred to as a wonder tree because of its high concentration of lipids, proteins, carotenoids, vitamin C, iron, and potassium, among other minerals. Korean researchers revealed in a recent study that morina effectively kills cancer cells. They used a plant extract that dissolves in water, with a high dosage of 400 units of morina per milliliter of water. A whopping 96.7% of cancer cells were killed. 3. Beans. If you are not full of beans already, time to start. According to research, the consumption of black and navy beans was shown to significantly reduce the risk of colon cancer in rodents. This is mostly due to the fact that the levels of the fatty acid butyrate in your body will increase if you ingest a large quantity of these legumes. When present in sufficient quantities, these fatty acids inhibit the growth and multiplication of any cancer cells that may be present in the body. Dried beans were shown to be very effective in preventing breast cancer in rats in another study. Beans' low glycemic index and ability to keep your blood sugar levels from increasing is an often overlooked part of their ability to prevent cancer. This insulin regulation is crucial since spikes and dips in blood glucose induce you to want sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods. Number 4. Garlic. Vampires and cancer beware. The bad breath wonder plant is coming for you. Garlic holds a number of cancer-fighting compounds, the most important of which is the antibiotic and antifungal compound known as allicin. Allicin, flavonoids, selenium, and allyl sulfides all work together to prevent or repair damage to DNA that is caused by cancer cells. Consuming substantial quantities of allium vegetables, which include cultivated onion, garlic, scallion, shallot, leek, and chives, have been proven to reduce the chance of developing stomach cancer. They can also have added protective effects against malignancies of the stomach, colon, and esophagus, according to the findings by experts. 5. Garcinia cambogia. Try saying this with your mouth full. This fruit extract or dietary supplement is often used as a natural obesity remedy. It is a fruit resembling a pumpkin that is native to India, Southeast Asia, and the tropics. However, there is growing evidence that, due to its antioxidant characteristics, it is also incredibly beneficial in the battle against cancer. This is due to the presence of garcinol in this fruit. In recent research, it was discovered that the substance eliminated 89% of pancreatic cancer cells, and this rate increased when paired with curcumin. Curcumin has long been praised as a superweapon for destroying cancer cells, yet it was shown to kill just 63% of malignant pancreatic cells, while Garcinia destroyed over 90%. However, the combination of curcumin and Garcinia was shown to be the golden ticket, resulting in a greater cancer cell death rate than when simply one of the two compounds was administered. 6. Tomatoes. When tomatoes were initially introduced to Europe from South America centuries ago, Europeans in countries such as Spain and Italy feared they were poisonous due to their bright red color. Imagine what your pastas would look like without them. Tomatoes have been reported to be very effective in endometrial, lung, prostate, and stomach cancers. Tomatoes have powerful antioxidant qualities and are therefore beneficial for cutting cancer, causing elements from the body. Moreover, they are the most concentrated dietary source of lycopene. Carotenoid is the pigment responsible for tomatoes' red color. According to studies, lycopene inhibits endometrial cancer cell proliferation. Number 7 is blueberries. Start eating a small handful of blueberries every single day to improve your overall health and strengthen your immune system. Blueberries and other berries contain plant pigments called anthocyanins, which gives them their black or purple color. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants, and they protect your cells from free radical damage that occurs from the sugar, the junk foods, the vegetable oils, and the other toxic junk that we take in regularly. If you want to protect your body from damage or heal from any medical conditions, you need to start focusing on eating foods that are rich in antioxidants every single day. Other anti-cancerous berries include bilberries, blackberries, strawberries, gooseberries, and acai berry, some of which you can get as a powdered supplement. If you are finding this information helpful, please tap the like thumb, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Let's jump right back in with number 8, mushrooms. In China, mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help fight off diseases and boost the immune system against viruses and infections. Since the 1970s in Japan and China, certain plant chemicals have been extracted from mushrooms and used as part of a treatment plan for cancer. Some of the best cancer-fighting mushrooms that you could start eating are turkey tail, cordyceps, chaga, lion's mane, reishi, and maitake mushrooms. These actually have over 40 different phytonutrients that can help to fight and prevent cancer, such as quercetin, hispulin, bisalane, and many others. 9. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a type of fermented cabbage and is often eaten in Germany. This is one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the world. 1 cup contains an enormous 700 milligrams of vitamin C. That's over 8 times the minimum daily requirement. Cancer often spreads into areas of inflammation and swelling in your body, where your tissues are inflamed. Real vitamin C, however, helps to lower this inflammation and remove free radicals in your blood in order to reduce the risk of cancer. It's important that you eat foods that are rich in the real vitamin C complex, as the ascorbic acid supplements do not have the same effects as whole foods. I recommend that you eat a serving of sauerkrauts 3 times per week. As it's fermented, it's rich in prebiotics and probiotics. These are friendly bacteria that help to feed your colon cells and prevent the growth of polyps, tumors, and bowel cancer. Other excellent fermented foods that you could eat are plain Greek yogurt, which is full fat, kimchi, miso, and kefir. So there you have it, 9 cancer-killing foods that are easy to source and can easily be added to your delicious meals. If you are already fighting cancer or want to prevent this ruthless killer, shop smartly. Nature has the answers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss more informative videos like this one. Your health is our priority. Thanks for watching.